Meanwhile, World Under-20 Sprint Double Champion Brianna Williams will not make her senior team debut, or she didn't make her senior team debut for Jamaica, despite traveling to Lima as part of the national team for the 18th edition of the ongoing Pan Am Games. Team manager George Forbes confirmed with TVJ Sports today that Williams went to Peru but didn't compete in the 100 meters and wasn't eventually able to compete in the 4x1s either. Now, checks with Williams' coach, Atto Bolden, indicate that she's now back in her training base in Florida.
Per her schedule that was put on her Facebook page 3 months ago, Brianna was never scheduled to run any individual event at the Pan Am Senior. She was only doing the relay. When she left here, we knew it was a little iffy, so I said, okay, you will go, you will practice sparingly with the team, you will sort of learn the philosophy, you will bond with your teammates, and we will make it sort of a game time decision. When she went there, leg was not feeling good, so she communicated immediately to the team management that she could not run.
Now, the 17-year-old Williams broke the national junior record at the National Senior Championships in June, finishing third in the 100 meters in 10.94 seconds to book her place for next month's IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar.